Now for a fabulous spring recipe, I would like to make a chicken fricassee utilising spring herbs. This time of the year, they're just wonderful and starting to come in abundance. So the ingredients you'll need are 4 chicken drumsticks and 4 chicken thighs, or if they're together, chicken Marylands as we call them in Australia, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 60 grams of unsalted butter, 300 grams of white or brown mushrooms, halved depending on the size, 2 medium brown onions sliced, two garlic cloves minced, 1 bay leaf, 3 sprigs of thyme, 3 tablespoons of flour, half a cup of white wine, I'm using a Burgundy Chardonnay here, 3 cups of chicken stock, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of parsley finely chopped, and 2/3 of a cup of thickened or heavy cream. To begin with, we want to season our chicken with salt and pepper. First up, we'll place half the butter in the pan and then add the chicken, browning on each side. If your pan's not big enough, you can do this in batches. Once done, remove those from the pan and place on a plate. And then add the remaining butter. And then add the onions, mushrooms, and saute for around 5 minutes. Once sauteed and translucent, with the mushrooms getting a little bit of colour, add the garlic and then cook for another 30 seconds. Then add the flour and cook for a minute. Bay leaf and thyme. Now it's time to add our wine and remove the fond from the bottom of the pan. The fond is the brown bits on the bottom. That's a lot of flavour there. And stock. Return the chicken and all the juices from the chicken. And then simmer covered for 10 minutes on a medium to low heat. After 10 minutes, remove the lid and cook for another 20 minutes. Remove the chicken from the pan after 20 minutes. Add our seasonings, so it's 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt and 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper. And add the cream and stir this in. Then bring that back to a simmer. Return the chicken. And sprinkle with parsley. And voila, it's all done. You can serve this with whatever you'd like. Potatoes, I've got rice this time. You can even do pasta. It's up to you. And maybe a little side salad. Merci beaucoup, that's it. My very appetising chicken fricassee, perfect for springtime.